So, guys, I just want to show you a location in Abuja that most Wakajiris and explorers haven't heard about. Talk more of visiting. It's called Karishi Waterfalls. It shocked you? It shocked me too. I guess you're wondering. So, there's a waterfall in Nigeria. Yes, there is one, and I'm about to show you. Just walk with me. For those who don't know, Karishi is located at the eastern part of Abuja after Kari. It's about an hour drive or so. Luckily, I was not alone. I was fortunate to be in the company of curious junkies like myself to check out this amazing location. Chill and find out in the video.
Man, I'm already seeing a lot of turn up from a lot of people from everywhere around the FCT just to hike Karshi Waterfalls.
Karshi is a notable natural landmark known for its scenic beauty and tranquil environment. It's inhabited by Wagi people, and the waterfall holds a great significance to them.
Say hi. What are we doing? What are we doing?
You know, there is this saying that goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a step. This was an actual expression because I never knew that I'm about to achieve that 1,000 miles all in search of the waterfall. We passed a lot of bushes, we passed different streams, we passed many obstacles just in search of this waterfall. Even when we saw hopes of the waterfall or something that looks like we're approaching the waterfall, our hopes were dashed to the mud because we still kept on checking. We checked and checked. Ah, this was really a journey.
Hey, go on, man. Omo, you know the finish show.
So if you like contents like this, which of course I know you do, and you would want to see more amazing spots in the FCT and beyond, kindly smash the subscribe button, Jare, and turn on your notification. So we climbed a lot of rocks. We passed through different rivers. This was like we were acting egg of life. And then finally, we saw a glimpse of the waterfall. And we had to climb a slope, a very slopey slope to get to the waterfall. And as there were many of us, some of us had to take different routes to climb up to where the waterfall is.
thought. Yes. But I want to tell you, we survived the treacherous journey of going to what's the name of the waterfall?
Karshi Waterfalls.
Yes, we survived the journey. It was so amazing. Watch out. You're
I
gonna
just
see
want to
this.
go home, please.
So I hope you had an amazing time. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Bye, guys.